Once again, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good,
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
good
Morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Now, listen to me here, children. Children, what is the next chapter now? What are you expecting that what are we going to do today? Are we going to start the new chapter? Are we going to do something in the previous chapter? If your mic is unmute, then you please speak. Don't keep your
New
mic unmute.
chapter.
Then we will start a new
New
chapter.
chapter.
Okay. Can you all please tell me? I don't know which chapter we are going to start. Can you all tell me what is the name of the chapter and what is the number of the chapter?
Fields and
13,
fences.
13 chapter fields and fences.
Chapter 30.
30.
Fields and
30.
fences. Is
Fields
this
and
right?
fences.
Yes.
Yes.
You know what is the motive? Why I am
Yes.
asking the name from you so that you should also be awake. What ma'am is doing? What are we going to learn today? To make you awake if you are still sleeping. Okay. And to make you aware what are we learning today. So we are going to start the new chapter, which is chapter number 13, fields and fences. Now, one child will tell me, first of all, you raise your hand. First, listen my question, then raise your hand, and then tell me the answer. My question is, what do you know about? Do you know about fields? If yes, then raise your hand. Raise your hand with the application which is given in your, so that I know. Yes, Gunav. Gunav, can you please tell me what do you mean by the word fields?
Ma'am, खेत.
Very good. Anvi, Arna, please tell me. ओनली खेत को ही फील्ड्स कहता है और भी
Ma'am, can I?
open
Gardens and all.
The khet is called only the field.
okay खेत is called only the fields
Even
और
gardens and that all.
gardens
Gardens.
open area को भी जो big open ground होते हैं
Ma'am,
उनको भी
Ma'am,
मैम
ma'am,
यहाँ
farm,
पे
farms.
specifically
Farm.
या
Farms.
पर यहाँ पर
Ma'am, farms.
स्पेसिफिकली जो फील्ड्स हैं या खेतों को आप स्कूल जाते हैं आपके दोनों तरफ खेत दिखते हैं स्कूल के इधर
yes, ma'am.
when you
Yes.
go to your school
Yes.
both the sides
Yes, ma'am.
हैं okay. Next is fences. Please raise your hand if you know the word meaning of the fences. Yes, Ara Patel. What do you mean by
Ma'am,
the word
fences
fence?
means that uh, farm boundary there is
Very
fences.
good. हाँ फार्म के
There,
बाउंड्री में लगाते हैं फेंसेस फार्म के अंदर तो नहीं लगेंगे
yes, ma'am, because the animals could not
हाँ
come and eat the farms.
very good so that the animals should not come and they will not eat the farm so we put fences.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Parinika.
Ma'am, we have to take this one notebook and we have to write this all fields and fences chapter
No,
13.
you are not going to write anything. When I will instruct you to do the activity, please follow that. Right now, you listen and try to understand what we are doing.
Ma'am, this book is okay.
Samriddhi, I will not check. Sorry, as I said, in between, I am not going to check anything. So we are very much clear what are fields and what are fences. Clear? Now, what is the use of learning in mathematics about the fields and fences? आपके बुक में क्यों चैप्टर आया है फील्ड्स के बारे में व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द फील्ड्स
Ma'am,
यस एकांश प्लीज स्पीक
Because what is the length of the field and what is the height of the fences?
okay what is the length of the fields and what is the height please mute your mic ekansh
Okay.
Ma'am,
what else who can describe yes Prisha
ma'am, we'll learn about perimeters and area.
very good this is the perimeter and the area we are going to अब fields में area पढ़ेंगे कि fences में area पढ़ेंगे
Fields में.
Fields.
Fences.
Fields.
Trisha few of the students are saying fields, right? That they are going to learn area in the fields. And you are telling in the fences. Can you describe it? Why have you observed that we are going to learn the area in the fences? Please tell me fast. Tuisha, I'm
Ma'am-
asking from you.
Ma'am, she's trying to tell her mic is on, but she's not able to speak somehow.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Ayush, can you please?
Ma'am, I don't know. I think it's fields because how?
Ma'am, Trisha is on her mic, but we can't hear her.
Yeah, Tuisha, your mic is having some problem. Yes, Riddhi, please try.
Like it will be of fences because the field we have to cover the field in this chapter fields with the fences. So it will be using that how many meters, centimeter.
Yeah,
The
we are going to cover the fields with the fences, right? And fences will be inside the fields or the outside the boundary of the fields.
Outside the boundary of the field.
Yeah, outside the boundary of the fields. For outside, for the boundary, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn the area, we are going to learn the perimeter.
Area.
No. Area means for inside. Area is for the fields.
Ma'am, perimeters.
Yes. So
Area
please wait. Now, if this is my farm, okay, and these are the fences which I put on the farm. So if I need to find out कि इस farm को fences लगाने के लिए how much wire I need, so I will take the perimeter. And what is perimeter? Now, what is perimeter?
Ma'am, may I say?
No, Rudra, I will discuss about this later. What you were asking in the chat box. Yes, Lama, you want to say something on this? What do you mean by the word perimeter? Only Prisha knows and other children also knows this answer. Yes, Samriddhi, can you please tell me what is perimeter?
Ma'am, perimeter is a length.
Only length. If I am not aware about the length and the breadth. How I am going to calculate the perimeter? Please tell me. And I don't know what the word length means, what the word breadth means. तो वो बच्चा कैसे perimeter निकालेगा? Farmers, they know about the length and the breadth. Okay, they study. Okay, then they how they are going to calculate the perimeter. First of all, tell me what do you mean by the word perimeter?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please, Riddhi.
Ma'am, of all shapes, the side length is called the perimeter.
Only, okay, you are a little clear. But I want to know, what do you mean by the word perimeter? She is little clear. Yes, Prisha.
The outside edge of any area is known as perimeter.
Any area?
Means any object.
Any object or any shape or different object. And please remember area and perimeter. First of all, you write under the fields that we are going to learn area for the fields and we are going to learn perimeter for the fences, means outer boundary. And when we talk about the inner space, we will calculate area. When we are talking about the outer boundary, we learn perimeter. So perimeter is the outer boundary of
Ma'am,
the...
can I tell what is perimeter?
Perimeter is the outer boundary of any shape. And perimeter we only take only in the 2D shapes. 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional means the shapes which have length and breadth.
Length and breadth and no width.
No width. No height. Width is the breadth only.
Okay.
Ayush, no height. So length and breadth जिन objects की है उसी का ही perimeter we will calculate. अब different kinds of polygons होते हैं. What are regular? We will learn about what are regular polygons, what are irregular polygons. Means shapes of different 2D shapes we have to first learn.
Ma'am, this chapter is confusing me.
Why? Still it is not started yet. Ayush, can you clear your concept, please?
Ma'am, like what is the other word you said? Irregular and regular.
Yeah, that I am coming on that. Regular shapes and irregular shapes आप पढ़ते हैं 2D shapes के अंदर. Regular shapes वो shapes होते हैं which have equal number of sides. Same, right?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I cannot understand perimeter. Like, what
Till
is
now,
that?
outer boundary. For example, wait, I am going to show you something. Just a minute. Wait a minute, I'm going to present my screen. Can you all able to see this card?
Yeah, ma'am.
What have you observed? What have you observed in this card?
Ma'am, it have class boundary.
Only the outer boundaries are decorated.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So अगर मुझे only outer boundaries को decorate करना है तो मुझे इसका क्या निकालना होगा?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. अब वो perimeter कैसे निकलता है? That we will learn कि perimeter निकलता कैसे है. But perimeter is the outer boundary of the objects. That you have to know. Clear, Twisha? The length of the outer boundary of these shapes. That you can also say. The length of the outer boundary of the 2D shapes, not 3D shapes, 2D flat surface shapes. Now we are learning about the regular and the irregular shapes. कौन से होते हैं? Just a minute. I'll show you the video on regular and irregular shapes. Please mute your mic, children. Please mute your mics, children.
Woo! Adapted mind math.
Just a minute. Yes, children, I'm now going to present you one video. Then you will know more about what are regular shapes, what are irregular shapes.
As we learned before, a polygon
Is this visible and audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But in
is a closed two-dimensional shape
Yeah, I will
made up
mute.
of line segments only. If we have these two polygons, what can we say about their properties? Let's talk about the first one. The side's length of this square are equal, as well as the size of its four angles, because they are all right angles. This kind of polygon is called a regular polygon. So, a regular polygon is a polygon with equal sides and equal angles. Now, let's have a look at the second polygon. It is obvious that the sides of this polygon aren't equal, and neither are the sizes of the angles. For instance, we have an acute angle, but the rest of the angles are obtuse. Therefore, this polygon is not regular. We call such polygons that don't have equal sides or angles irregular polygons.
Now you understood, children, what are regular polygons and what are irregular polygons?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now see.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we again come back to our topic, which is perimeter. अब हम perimeter, how we calculate the perimeter, the outer boundary of any shape. Suppose, for example, we have, please, you all have your square notebook.
No, ma'am. I didn't know what the square notebook is. There is one notebook which
It's
has
okay.
square
Now
shape,
pay
but-
attention here, Ayush. Please pay attention. We talk later now. Now listen here. See, you all have the square notebook. I will draw a rectangle of any length and any breadth, because right now I'm not aware about the length and breadth. I need to draw a rectangle. Now I want to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter is this outer boundary of this rectangle. So what is the perimeter? How I will find? We always find, if we are not aware about the length and the breadth. So first step is we find the perimeter with the squares, with the centimeter squares or the meter squares, depend on the kitna bada object it is. Am I clear? So first of all, I make 1 centimeter squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the length. You all know this is the length and this is the breadth, I'll tell you. Then I put the squares on the breadth. 1 centimeter squares, 1, 2, and 3. And this side also 1, 2, 3. For example, it will come 4. अगर आ रहे हैं 1 centimeter. Please stop messaging in the chat box. Then here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also there should be 6 squares of 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. Because both the sides, the length should be same and both the sides breadth should be same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you know this side 6 squares, 1 centimeter is each. So how many centimeters is the length? How many centimeter? Because
6
one square is 1 centimeter.
Ma'am, 4.
Dhruv, listen to me. 1 square is 1 centimeter. So there are 6 squares. How many centimeter length?
6 centimeters.
Ma'am, 6
centimeters.
Now you understood 6 centimeter?
Yeah.
Yes, right, 6 centimeter. This side 1, 2, 3, 4 squares.
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters.
4
centimeters.
centimeters.
4 centimeters.
If you have calculated this side, so what will be here?
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
ma'am, 6
Opposite
centimeters.
sides of the rectangle are same. What will be this side?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeter.
Ma'am, 4
4
centimeters.
centimeter.
4 centimeter.
Now, when you add all these squares which you have calculated, this will be the perimeter of this rectangle.
16 centimeter.
16 centimeters.
6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 4 is
20 centimeter.
20
So what is the perimeter of this rectangle which we have drawn?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeters.
Why it is
20
20 centimeter?
centimeter.
Because हमने जो इसमें squares बनाए वो 1 सेंटीमीटर के ही बनाए. Okay. अगर आप 2 सेंटीमीटर के स्क्वायर से बनाते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल शो यू वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्स. Mute your mics. For example, I have some squares. You all know the square has all the sides what?
Equal.
Equal.
अगर ये 2 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर, ये 2 है, तो ये भी 2 है. I have taken few squares to make a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please mute your mic. Why there is a need to unmute your mic, please? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 and then 7. I have taken 7 squares in the lengthwise. Then I have taken 3 squares in the breadthwise. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 3. Now this is my rectangle which I have made. I need the perimeter of this which I have made here.
And 18 centimeter. It will be 3 centimeters.
Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Now each
these boxes
square-
are of 2 centimeter, no?
Yes. Listen the question.
It will be
carefully.
40 centimeters.
First, this is 2 centimeter each. So we multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square, but 2 centimeter each is 14 centimeter will be the length. Now 1, 2, 3 are there squares, but each is 2 centimeter. So it will be, sorry, it is not working. So now here it will be 6 centimeter breadth. So this is also 14 because the both sides are same. And this is also 6. In rectangle, if we find any 2 sides, we will automatically find the other 2 sides. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 14
Yes, ma'am.
plus 6 plus 14, then plus 6, plus all the sides. And find what is the perimeter. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 6 is 20.
40.
Ma'am, it's 40
40
centimeter.
centimeter. Because here I have taken the squares of 2 centimeters, so I have to multiply each square with the 2. Each length with the 2. Length also, breadth also. Am I clear with, everyone is clear how to find the perimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
This is with the squares. Now children, why there is a need?
Yes,
Please write
ma'am.
in the chat box why we have to calculate. कहाँ जरूरत पड़ती है हमें perimeter निकालने के लिए? क्यों जरूरत पड़ेगी? क्यों हमें perimeter के बारे में सीखना है? Why we have to learn about the perimeter? Outer boundary का आपको पता लग गया length, but why we have to learn? Please write in the chat box. That why there is a
Ma'am,
need
it
to
is
learn about.
important.
Because we have to tell me.
Yeah, Vedi, it is important, but why? Why it is important? क्यों कहाँ
Ma'am,
आप पढ़ोगे तो आप उसका यूज कहाँ करोगे?
ma'am,
हाँ.
because we have to buy fences of that centimeter.
Very good. आपको fences लगाना है, so you have to buy the wire of that centimeter, है ना? और कहाँ जरूरत पड़ सकती है लगाने? बिना fences के बाहर आ जाओ. Real life में आपको कहाँ? Just now I show you one picture of a card. Aryaman Sangai, you please stay after the class. I need to talk. Okay? And please pay attention in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am. Reena, ma'am.
Yes.
My mother wants to talk to
After
you
the class. After the class. Okay. As I was presenting you my screen and I show you. Wait a minute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Jyoti ma'am.
Sorry to intervene. Important announcement, grade 4. I want everybody's attention here. Renu ma'am, after some time you can announce it again. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
After this class, 11:40 it will get over. 11:50 you have one more class of EVS. You have one more EVS class for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, after this class will end at 11:40. 11:50 you have EVS class, so please go in the EVS class. Has everybody understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Samriddhi Keshan, will you please unmute yourself and repeat what I just said?
Yeah, ma'am, you said that after this class, it ends at 11:40. At 11:50, we had to go to EVS class.
Very, very good. Very nice, Samriddhi. Very well explained. I hope everybody has understood. Renu ma'am, can you just remind at the end of the class once again to the students?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Please carry on. Thank you, Rudra Jajaria. Thank you, everyone, for cooperating. Thank you.
Just a minute, children.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Just a minute. Vedi, yes, please go. Yes, children, I was asking, you all understood that you have to go in EVS class at 11:50?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now listen, I was asking, there is a EVS class, ma'am want to teach you. Okay. Now listen here, as I was asking, why there is a need to learn the perimeter को learn पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है? Why we need to learn? Why we want to know that we have to calculate the perimeter in grade 4 only? Now you are still young. Why you need to find the perimeter? क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है? Can you all tell me? Anyone can tell me, right in the chat
For
box.
that, it makes our maths easy for addition.
For addition only. Can you give me some examples
Multiplication.
of real life why there is a need to learn the perimeter and where is the use of a perimeter? Please write in the chat box if you know the answer. Please write. Yes, Man Rajodia, please tell me.
Ma'am, we have to do something about like drawing, architecture things
Okay, good.
of a bungalow, then a
Yes.
shape of that.
It's
Yes.
like I want to decorate only the boundary of the table or
Very good, excellent, Riddhi. If she wants to only, I want to show you some pictures, children. If you
May I see an example?
yes, Prisha, please say the examples.
We want to make a wall hanging of the boundary of our house, so we have to measure the perimeter.
So this much wall hanging you will make according to the perimeter. Then see, what I am having in my hand.
handkerchief.
Yeah.
Handkerchief.
And only I want to decorate the border of this handkerchief. I will show you some images. I want to decorate the border, right? The border of this handkerchief. Then what should I want to know? Kitna centimeter my border is, how much centimeter my border is. So what I have to calculate for finding the border length?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. This is for that I need to find the perimeter. And suppose for the tablecloth, right? Your mama put the tablecloth on the table. Just
Yes,
a
ma'am.
sec. I'll show you different images. Wait. See, can you all see this image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What have you observed here? Can you tell
Ma'am,
me?
it is
The boundary of the tablecloth is decorated.
yes. But length of the tablecloth.
See, on this tablecloth, can we observe that the green part is different and the border is different?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, the tailor who is putting a border here, for him, what is compulsory to know अगर उसको border लगाना है tablecloth पर?
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Only because he needs only to decorate the border. Yes, because he only needs to decorate the border, so it is compulsory for him to find the perimeter. Right?
Perimeter.
And perimeter is what? How to find the perimeter? Just now we have learned the total of
By multiplicated.
by who is telling?
Multiply it.
What is the perimeter? How we find the perimeter? By adding all the sides.
By
By adding the length of all the sides, right? But just now we have find out the length by the squares. Okay. But if there are big objects, you want to find the length of your tablecloth. Then in that case, how you will find the perimeter? You want to measure it is compulsory to know the length of each side. Yes. If I want to remove this now and I will show you with the straws. See, if I draw a figure, say first of all, you should know how I am going to draw a figure. See, just a minute, children. Okay, look here now. I have taken a straw. I don't know what is the length of the straw, but I am going to put it here to make one shape which is irregular shape, which has no sides equal, no same size, no angle same, which is irregular shape, any different shape like this. And the straws also of different lengths. The straws also are of different lengths. And I am going to make any shape. Now see which shape will come. So this is my closed shape. Closed shape means with the straight lines, and it is closed. It is not open. It is closed from everywhere. That is why it is called closed shape. Right? Can you all able to see? This is the closed shape.
Yes.
I want to find the perimeter of this shape. How I will find? Because I don't know the length and the breadth. I don't know the measurement of these lengths. So what I will do is,
By the scale.
yeah, I will take the scale and I will measure it. Children, do this activity after the class at home. So this length is 12 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. This is also 11 centimeter. This is 15, and then I will mark here because this straw is bigger than this ruler. So I will mark 15 here. Then I will mark more. That is 3 more. So 15 plus 3 is
18 centimeters.
18 centimeters. So now you know that you have got the measurement of each side now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what, write in the chat box, what is the perimeter of this figure? Please write in the chat box, what is the perimeter of this figure?
Ma'am, total.
Yes,
centimeter.
because perimeter is the total centimeter of the boundaries. Please find out fast and tell me.
56 centimeters.
Let me do this. 11 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus 18 centimeter and plus 12 centimeter. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 52 centimeter.
52,
Am I
ma'am.
clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to ask something.
Yes, ma'am.
So the perimeter of this shape is 52 centimeter. Yes.
52
So yeah, this is the reason I told you to bring the straw so that you can also make your own shapes and find the perimeter of that shape. Please do this activity at home. I will present you my screen and show you, just a minute, and show you
Ma'am, the
how
time
you are
is
going.
11:42.
I want to show you the different shapes so that you try this activity at home and find the perimeter. Can you all able to see the screen? Ma'am, this is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, wait a minute, ma'am, I'll show. Ma'am, are they able to see the different shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
See. Can you all see, children, different shapes are there? Please mute your mic. Children, I want answer from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I want to show you here this figure, please mute your mic.
Yeah.
If I want to show you this figure, please mute your mic and listen to me. Which child is this?
Mandrajoria, switch off your mic. How many times will she?
If I want to show you this figure, and I tell you, don't measure it with the scale. Find the perimeter. Will it be possible to find the perimeter of this figure? Without
Yes, but you have to tell me the blocks of the
1 centimeter. This square is 1 centimeter. So please tell me how you will find the answer, how we will find the perimeter of this figure without measuring it with the scale.
Ma'am, by counting the side boxes.
Yeah. So how many boxes are there? How many square boxes are there in the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 1, 2, 3.
9 centimeters.
Yeah. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this length will be 9 centimeters, right? Can we count the next? But if now this length, can we count this length?
1, 2,
Ma'am, 5
3, 4.
centimeters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This length,
Ma'am, 2
42
centimeters.
centimeter.
only 2 centimeter. Then this will be 3 centimeter. This will again be 3 centimeter.
That will be
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter.
6 centimeters.
And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. And this is 2 centimeter. So when you add all these sides, you will able to find the perimeter with the squares. And you know that 1 square is 1 centimeter. Am I clear? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
We will learn more about perimeter in the next class. Thank you, children, for today's class. Please join EVS class after
Bye,
this
ma'am.
class at 11:50. Bye.